Welcome to my channel. This is Spherical FX Trade. In this video, I will be doing quick analysis on Euro USDT. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe, comment, like, share to your friends also so that they will also learn. Then also try to watch the video to end so that you also learn my strategy, how I take my trade. So not wasting time. Let's just clear this is a past trade I have this week. So let's just clear it and do a fresh analysis, fresh top-down analysis, so you will also understand how I do my analysis also. So let's go to 1 day time frame. In 1 day time frame, we're not going to pay attention in everything happening here. Anything happening here is not my concern. So we're going to pay attention on what is happening between this zone between this zone between here. What is happening between here within this zone is what we are going to pay attention to. So if you can see, there is a place the market reacted at this other block. This other block has not been unvalidated. This other block is still valid. That's why this market tested on it. This is where the other block started. You can see it clearly. So the market tap on it here first, then push up to here. Then he came down, he swept this liquidity. This is a liquidity sweep. So he sweep it. So we're going to mark this as a liquidity point. The market swept. So the market sweep this liquidity. Then as they sweep this liquidity, we saw an important something here. There's a change of character here. You can see it. This is the last high the market made. So there's a change of character here, and there's another block here. So we mark it out so that everything will be clear to us. Our market direction will now be more clearer. So, and this is the other block. Market has already tested on it. So the market has already touched it. This other block, 1 day other block, and we are seeing a bullish candlestick. This is hammer, this is hammer, this is also ending as hammer. So we are seeing a bullish candlesticks forming. So then definitely the market is reversing to this point, moving up to this point. So I'm going to mark out here. This is where the market is heading to. The market is heading to here. So here will be our TP. If we see any possible, if we're going to hold for long, but this is where the market is heading to, let's just take it as our TP. So for swing traders, if we see any point of interest within this zone, here will be our target for swing traders. So let's just go down so to know if we are going to see any point of interest. Let's just keep on going down. So in 4 hours, this is what we have. This is still the change of character. This is still the change of character. So let me adjust it. Still the change of character. Let me label it change of character. Change of character. So what do you see here? This is a mitigation block in 4 hours. This is a mitigation block, and market tapped in it. What did you see? As market tapped in it, the market reversed immediately. This is the last lower high the market made. This is the last lower high the market made, and the market touch on it and push back immediately. So the market has automatically changed character. Is about moving up to this TP line. So this line will label TP. That's where the market is heading to. So let's keep on also going down. So okay, there's another thing we need to see here. The market has eventually caused another break of structure here, because this is another point, and the market retraced and it caused a typical breakout structure. This is a breakout structure, so we're going to label it our breakout structure. We're going to label it our breakout structure. Then, whenever there is a breakout structure, there must be a demand zone that cause that breakout structure. So where will that demand zone be? So the demand zone will be here. This is the demand zone. So we are going to mark the body of the candlestick as our demand zone. So if we are going down, we keep on refining till we see a very nice unmitigated point of interest. So let's just go down to 2 hours and also see what the market is doing in 2 hours. So, okay, in 2 hours, we have an order block, unmitigated order block. Some people will say, okay, this is not how order block is, but it's an order block because that is the last place the institutional traders buy from. So you can also call it a demand zone, anyone you wish, or this is where we have our point of interest. So everything is getting more clearer. So let me adjust this. Okay, let me just adjust this in my 1 hour. Let's go down to 1 hour and see more what we have here. So this is exactly what we have in our 1 hour time frame. It is becoming more clearer. If you can see, this is a failed order block. This is a typical failed order block, which is a mitigation block, or you can also call it breaker block. Definitely breaker block. So this is our breaker block. So and the market tapped on it. You can see it. That is what that reversed this market to cause a change of character or market structure shift. So this is the market structure shift. So what am I trying to let us to understand here? This is where the market changed trend already. The market has changed from downtrend towards uptrend, and it moved up to here, then it come down. It tested on this point of interest, and it reversed again. It reversed again here. See it? It reversed again here. You can see it. This is where we have our market structure shift or change of trend or change of character, anyone. So I'll label it market structure shift. Okay. Now, this is another point where the market caused another break of structure. So this is another break of structure, and we have labeled it break of structure. So what do we have here? We have an order block. This is another block, unmitigated one, not yet mitigated. We have another block. This is another block. We'll refine everything. This is another block. It is unmitigated. You can see it. It is unmitigated. Let me mark it out well. It is unmitigated. What that has been mitigated is the fair value gap. The fair value gap has been mitigated by this candlestick. So now the fair value gap has reacted as a inducement point of interest. As an inducement point of interest. So we are going to mark this and label it inducement. IDM is a liquidity. So and this liquidity is validating our point of interest. Is validating our point of interest. So I'm hoping by Monday, if market opens, we'll be buying from here because it's a nice point of interest. All the qualities of a point of interest has been met here. So you can see we have the point of interest we have here. It broke structure. It broke structure. This is the break of structure. This point of interest caused this break of structure. Then there is a fair value gap, which the market has tested in it to form this inducement. There is liquidity. So all these things are making this point of interest more valid. So where are we going to target for our take profits for intraday trader, this point of interest has been mitigated. You can see it. So all of them, okay, this one, there's a liquidity point here. So, and there's another point of interest here. So for intraday traders, we will be targeting this other block as our take profits instead of the other take profits I marked in one day for intraday traders. This one is for intraday traders. So intraday traders, this will be our target, and that is 50 pips. That is 52 pips. So that is 52 pips. We will be targeting this point. Then also, if you want to target high, if you're a swing trader, you want to aim higher, this is the next target where the market must surely reach. Where market must surely reach. But you don't have to be greedy, but it's not greedy. If you want to hold till then, you can hold till then. So elaborate this TP1 here in TP2. So if you want to hold till there as a swing trader, you can probably hold till there. If you want to take your profit here, this is a pretty 50 pips. This is a 100 pips. So any of them you want to take your profit from. But definitely the market will definitely reach here because um, in one day time frame, this is a change of character, and the market has tested the demand zone in one day, which is other block, and one day other. This is one day other block. So definitely the market will push back to this point. So this is all. So if you like my video and everything I'm doing here every weekend, please kindly subscribe, share to your friends also, like and comment. See you next weekend.